We are praying for you, Ashley. Hello, my name is Linda. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for your support to both the old and new subscribers. And for the new subscribers, welcome aboard. Thank you. Today, I'm going to be making mulled apple juice. You're going to need cinnamon sticks and organic apple juice. I use organic because it helps prevent the pesticides from getting on the crops and into your juice. On to the recipe. We are now going to start by adding 2 cups of apple juice into the pan. I already added 1. Here is the second one and a cinnamon stick. And you're going to turn the burner on over medium heat, and I'm going to get a spoon to actually stir it up. And you're going to heat it up for 5 to 10 minutes. While it's cooking, I'll let you know some of the benefits of this. It's good for your mental health. For people that have Alzheimer, it actually reduces some of their symptoms. It's also good for your heart, too. Remember the old saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? There's some truth to that. It also helps with anxiety. And during the current state of affairs in the world, we're going to need a lot of apple juice. That is what it looks like when it's done. Perfect for Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching. This is my disclaimer. I have no sponsors for products used or mentioned. If you have a favorite brand, use your favorite brand. Thank you.